Letisha's Evo 10. This has actually been away for a couple of weeks now. I haven't said anything in videos or anything, but we actually dropped it off at AK Racing to get the new engine put in. So if you've seen my previous videos on it, talking about how we got it for so cheap and what was actually wrong with it, and you'll know that it had low compression in cylinder 2, the engine was on its last legs, and it had very high kilometres. It's got 211,000 kilometres on the engine. Had a rebuilt SST, so that's all healthy, but yeah, the engine was not at its best. So we've just actually picked it up today on our way home. So it's parked up under the Gateway motorway where we just came from North Brisbane, where AK Racing are. So we just parked up under here, and yeah, it's all completed, it's all done. So we've got a new engine, or a used engine, but very new compared to what was in it, with 90,000 kilometres. And it's also had a revised timing chain put into it while it was before it went into the car, just so it has a new timing chain. Never have to worry about that now. And it also got the NRG Ops wire tuck kit completed, also before the engine went into the car, just to make it nice and easy. And it's had a sort of run-in safe check tune on the car, so it's actually making really good power. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll pop the bonnet and I'll show you guys how it's all looking now with the wire tuck and everything. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the new engine, and we have the engine cover off, as there was no point putting it back on because we'll be painting this valve cover pretty soon. And also it was going to be a bit neater if they could take off some of this unnecessary pieces that hold it all in down here and everything. So yeah, here we go. It's got the new engine, and like I said, it did get the NRG Ops wire tuck kit. So you see this one back here is normally coming around here, normally a bunch of wire that is visible. We'll probably even tuck this one away a bit and zip tie it a bit better, but that's about the only wire. You're going to see the extension pieces here and here, and the injectors. There's not too much you can hide with those. We may sort of see what we can do to tidy those up a bit when we do paint the fuel rail and the valve cover and everything. But yeah, as you can see, the engine is filthy, like the valve cover itself. It's always had an engine cover on it, so I will give this a good clean up. But yeah, this is it, all done with the wire tuck. So yeah, now we can finally start transforming the engine bay. It's already looking pretty good. Obviously we've got a few, you know, nice pieces like the carbon and catch can and this cover for the power steering, but now it's time to get some paint on it and just enjoy this car. So also show you the dyno sheet that we got with the car. And we did also pick up a new number plate bracket. So this is the Evolution X design, or sorry, I should say Evolution by Design, always say it wrong, but yeah, Evolution by Design side mount number plate bracket, which is adjustable. So we need to work out a way we can get rid of the big ugly Euro style plate that's on there, the plate bracket that's on there, and just replace it with this smaller one, but we'll sort that out later. We've got our couple of AK Racing stickers, and their little tuned by AK plaque. It can sit somewhere in the car. And here is our dyno printout. It's very windy here. Hopefully the new microphone I bought is blocking all the wind noise for you guys. Hopefully it's not too bad. Apologise if it is. But so here is the dyno sheet. So as you can see, it's not actually at 24 pounds of boost. It's running a bit below, so we'll probably get it retuned in the future at 25 pounds, which is what my car is running at. But this is just a sort of health check tune, using the existing tune that was in the car and just sort of adjusting the fueling and everything. So it's basically running how it was previously. And as you can see, hopefully there, it's making 289 kilowatts at the wheels, which is really good power. So not far from the 300 point, which is the magic number everyone wants with an Evo. But yeah, 289 with stock cams with just full bolt-ons and the turbo is a really good result. Obviously on E85. It's on the Mustang dyno, as you can see, so if you're in the US, and that seems like a low number because that 289 kilowatts is about somewhere around 390 wheel horsepower. So if that seems low to you, like I know some of you guys say you get more power with the stock turbo, well, that's just different dyno readings. This car, yeah, for example, with the old tune or the the old engine, it was 288 kilowatts, so basically what it is now. It's an extra kilowatt now. And it was running an 11.81 second quarter mile. And I see often in Facebook groups people that have modified Evo 10 MRs and rally arts and stuff that do run them at the track, and they, with, you know, sometimes I've even seen some that say they have way more horsepower than this, over the 400 wheel horsepower, and they run a lot slower than this 11.81 that this car did. So it's all, you know, different environments and everything, different dynos. But yeah, this is, like you said, Mustang dyno, so people say it reads lower or whatever, but this is a really good result. This is what you expect in Australia for these. So yeah, sort of go over that. But yeah, so like I said, it's yeah, a little bit low boost, so we'll get it retuned eventually, and you know, maybe we can get that to 290 mark, and this torque to, you know, the 420 mark. But yeah, it's 23 pounds of boost, 289 kilowatts. Very nice power band. Just builds up, doesn't drop off at all. No boost dropping off. So yeah, really happy with that. So the car is, like I said, pretty much done now. It's just got little things we can do here and there. So yeah, like, got our new wheels on it. Going to be adding a few carbon fiber pieces. But yeah, with the fresh engine, Letisha couldn't be happier. And it is actually her birthday today, so guys at AK Racing actually put a big bow on the car when we picked it up. They actually told her it wasn't going to be ready, and I just sort of told her we're going there to do something on my car, so we took my car over there. And when we got there, Letisha just walked straight past her car without even looking at it, and when she looked over, there was actually a big bow sitting on the windscreen, big yellow sort of bow, like when you buy a new car. So yeah, it was a good surprise, and they even put a bottle of wine in the car for her for her birthday. So yeah, again, massive thanks to the guys at AK Racing. They really are the best in the business here in Queensland. Just always great service, always looking after everyone. So yeah, just want to say a massive thanks to them. But yeah, with that said, we now have in our household 2 Evo 10s with full bolt-ons, running on E85 and bigger turbos. So just completed the tune on my car on E85. I'll do a video on that soon, talking about that, how that went, and share the results. And then yeah, like you saw on the dyno graph for this one, it's now tuned. May get changed a little bit, but yeah. So that's just a little update on the car, and yeah, not much more to add. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's not, you know, not the most exciting video or anything, but yeah, just thought I'd share it with you guys. It's something exciting for us at least. But yeah, that'll be the end of the video there. Feel free to give the video a like if you did enjoy it, or you want to help the channel out, and consider subscribing as well if you would like to help the channel out and see more Evo 10 and Rally Art content. Until next time, catch you guys later.